Okay guys, welcome to the workshop. What we are doing here today is making popcorn. And today is the first time I've ever seen this done. But it's really cool. I just heard about it before, that's all. So what we have here is 2 handfuls of year-old rice still in the hull. It has to be inside the hull. That's the outer casing, right? And it's like making popcorn, except my hand was on fire now, so except no oil, nothing in there, right? Just a dry pan, hot dry pan. And that pan needs to be pretty hot, for my experience, which is about 10 minutes ago. I'm doing this without a lid on there, so you can see it, which is cool, and I'll just stir it as we go. That's what she looks like. Okay, now this happens pretty fast. I put this over here to catch it. Gotta keep it moving so it don't burn. It's very easy to burn. See, I'm wearing my big glove. I learned that the last time. This pan is hot and you gotta move it quick. Now, unlike popcorn, this you end up with all the hulls. The brown part stays in there, so you gotta clean that out, and that's the pain with it. You know, it's never gonna replace popcorn. Oh, here we go. You see that? The first one just popped. Come on, give us another one. That's some more eat. Here we go. We're off to the races. Maybe not. You see it? Look at that! Going down! I know I'm losing some, but it's kind of hard to make a video with a lid on there, right? And it's fun to watch! Look at that! Now this is old school, man. This is old school Asia, probably. I'm sure it's not only Thailand that did this. Look at that! Look at that! Going now. Done. Okay. Okay. Let's take a look at it. Throw a little bit away. Okay, that's what she looks like. Looks good. You know, you look at that. It looks like popcorn, broken popcorn. But the problem with it is this: all the rice hulls are still in there. What the wife is doing with this is she's got this bug farm in the house, and she feeds them popped rice. I don't know what kind of bug it is, little black things. And these bugs are lucky bugs. They tell you lottery numbers. I'm not sure how they tell you lottery numbers. But you know, it's Thailand. Everything is done for luck. That's the first time I saw that. It's probably a couple months ago. It tastes really good. You gotta remember, there's no salt, no butter, no oil, nothing. But that one just had the oil stuck to it, so that's not so good, you know. That's the downside. Okay, something different. It's really cool. It would take all day to eat this much. That's for sure. But you know, maybe I have all day to do it. Alright guys, well that's it. Unusual. Like I say, I've never seen it before. I've never seen it done before. I've seen, well, the wife was bringing it home, her aunt was making it. Okay, I thought it was popcorn. Sap ding ding. Alright guys, as always, thanks for watching. Never know what you're going to see around here.